Toronto, capital of Ontario, is the largest city in Canada and also one of the most diverse. It's home to a dynamic mix of tourist attractions, from museums and galleries to the world-famous CN Tower. And just a short drive away is Niagara Falls. You'll find no shortage of things to do, from the vibrant entertainment district, featuring the latest musicals and fine dining, to the historic Distillery District, home to unique shops and restaurants set in incredibly restored buildings. Number 1. CN Tower. Toronto's famous landmark, the 553-meter CN Tower, is one of the city's must-see attractions and also the most impossible to miss. Towering above the downtown, this Canadian icon can be seen from almost everywhere in the city. You have the option of simply appreciating the building from the ground, or taking a trip up to one of the observation areas or restaurants for fabulous views over the city and Lake Ontario. The CN Tower, built between 1972 and 1976, was once the tallest freestanding structure in the world, but has long since been surpassed. Number 2. City Hall and Nathan Phillips Square. Dominating the spacious Nathan Phillips Square with its bronze sculpture, The Archer, by Henry Moore, is the still highly acclaimed new City Hall. It was designed by the gifted Finnish architect Viljo Ravel and built in 1965. City Hall consists of two arc-shaped high-rise blocks, 20 and 27 stories high respectively, wrapped around a lower central building topped by a flattened cupola. In the square in front of City Hall is a man-made pond, which becomes a popular skating rink in winter and is where the often photographed Toronto sign is located. This is a beautiful area to visit in December, particularly at night, when it's decorated for the Christmas holidays. Number 3. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. One of Toronto's newest top attractions is the Ripley's Aquarium near the base of the CN Tower. This fabulous facility displays all kinds of marine life and is one of the most popular things to do in Toronto for families. The most impressive feature is the huge underwater tunnel with a moving sidewalk. You can watch the ocean world go by all around you as sharks glide past and sawfish linger on the tunnel roof above. This is a truly serene experience for all ages. Number 4. Niagara Falls. If you have never been, a quick day trip from Toronto to Niagara Falls is well worth the time. You can be standing on the edge of the falls in just over an hour. A tour to Niagara Falls from Toronto is an easy way to see the falls if you don't want to drive yourself. Tours offer hotel pickup and drop-off and include a Niagara cruise, which takes you up close to the wall of water tumbling that is the main Horseshoe Falls. Tours also stop at some of the key sites in the area, including Whirlpool Rapids, the Floral Clock, and the beautiful little town of Niagara-on-the-Lake. If you have enough time, you may also want to consider spending a night at Niagara Falls to explore the downtown and see the falls lit up at night. Number 5. Casa Loma. Standing in beautifully kept grounds, Casa Loma is an extraordinary building somewhat reminiscent of a medieval castle. It was originally constructed in 1914 for Sir Henry Pellet, an eccentric Canadian multimillionaire who was among the first to recognize and exploit the money-making potential of Niagara Falls, with close to 100 rooms, including 36 bathrooms. The house is now a museum. Visitors can take a look back in time to a period of European elegance and splendor. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.